Namaste to all of you. Okay, now today's chapter, present we are doing complex numbers. Okay, complex numbers. Okay, in these complex numbers, almost all majority of the concepts we completed. Now, next these 4 or 5 days, I will explain exclusively IIT point of view, very few important concepts, and that too basing on rotation theorem. Few geometrical applications also I will explain. Okay, and while entering into this, let me tell you just one simple analyzation. Your senior result, JEE mains, and here 27th date, this month 27th exam is there. IIT advanced exam is there. Now they are doing good. They are practicing for advanced exam also. Meanwhile, just I will analyze your result, that it will encourage you. Okay, ma. So here it is the sheet. I brought total your seniors result. In this, ma'am, maybe all of you know Pratik Pawar, one student is there. His percentage is 99.8, 99.86 percentile. This is Pratik Pawar. And best rank is from our side, ma'am, 1629. And the EWS category, rank is 200. Okay, this is the best rank in EWS, and SC category. In SC category, our best rank is 79. Okay, next this is 99 percentile and above. 99 percentile and above, according to this sheet what I have here, it is indicating that total 99 percentile and above, 17 members they given, but it is 18 members. One member is missing here. Okay, nearly 18 members we got, and those who got 99 percentile, his last rank is 9825. 9825, and his percentile is 99.12. 99.12 percentile. He got 9825 rank. So this is the 99 percentile and above, 18 members are there. Next 98 percentile and above, 98 percentile and above. If you observe, ma'am, here there are approximately 29 students are there. 29 students are there. So compulsory these 29 students confirm. NIT, it is confirm. And even if you observe exclusively from IIT section, okay, present we are teaching you now, same faculty is there for your senior batch also, okay. In that exclusively IIT section, 65 members are there. Total members 65 members are there. Out of these 29, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's it. 7 members are other sections. 7 members if you less it now, then out of these 65, 22 members confirm seat in NIT. Fix already. And that too, this is what general category I am telling. General category. If you go with up to 30,000, there are nearly 40 students are there. Up to 30,000 rank, up to 30,000, there are 40 members are there. So out of these 40, nearly 32 members are there from only IIT section. So this year we are expecting, since the seats are increased already. So seats are increased means those who got up to 30,000 also, maybe according to me, maybe computers, electronics, maybe you can't get more, but some other seat, some other branch in one of the NIDs, chance is there. So automatically out of these 65, nearly, if you observe now, 30 members, 50 percentage of the students, they are already fixed their NIT seats out of these 65 members only. And now more analysis I did here also. How many of them are there? Physics, how many are got 99% above? Chemistry also 99% above. How many? Maths also 99% above. How many? If you go through these analysis, mom, here if you observe physics, this is the physics, and this is the chemistry, and this is the maths. 99 percentile in subject wise, in the subject wise. If I count like that, mom, in physics 13 members are there, in chemistry 18 members are there, in mathematics 12 members are there. So this is all over college, entire college, all students, this one is the result. So all students means, mom, according to my data what I have present, 214 members are there. 214 members. Out of these 214 members, in physics 99 percentile got 13 students are there. Out of these 214 students, 99 percentile 18 members they got. Out of these 214, mathematics they got 12 students are there. Now in exclusively IIT section, out of IIT, out of this IIT section, means exclusively this 65 members. Out of this 65 members, out of the 65 members, exclusively from IIT section, there are 11 members are there. Physics there are 11 members are there. Exclusively in our IIT section I am talking this one. Okay, those who got 99 percentile is, that means 99 percentile means 99.74, 99.89, 99.99, 99.17 like that. Exclusively from IIT section. If you count them, there are 11 members are there. Physics and chemistry. In chemistry, ma'am, in exclusively IIT section, there are 10 members are there. 10 members are there. Exclusively IIT section, 10 members are there. Next, ma'am, in mathematics. In mathematics, exclusively IIT section, there are 11 members are there. So that means out of these 12, those who got all over these 214 students, this is the result 12 students. But out of these 12 students, in mathematics exclusively 11 members are there, those who got 99 percentile and above in mathematics. And in chemistry, exclusively from IIT section, there are 10 students are there, those who got 99 percentile and above, means 99.15 like that. In physics also there are 11 members. So here these figures are almost all equal only in IIT section students. One more analysis I did here. One more analysis is how many of the students, how many of the students they got 99.9 percentile in subject wise. In subject wise. Now if you observe in physics, in physics one, in physics 99 and above, two students are there. Two students are there. Mayur, one student is there. Mayur, this student got 99.99 percentile in physics. Next, in addition to that one, Shivam, one more student is there. This is Shivam, one more student is there. Shivam Kose, one more student is there. Even this Shivam Kose, he got 99.9 na? Only one student only, 99.9 percentile. Let me cross check one time. That's it. Only one student is there. In Shivam course, not in. This is 98.9. Leave it, ma. So only one student is there. Mayur. He got 99.99 percentile in physics. Now go to maths, ma. In the maths, okay, this is the category 99.9 percentile and above. 99.9 percentile and above. Subject wise I am giving analysis. In subject wise, in physics one student is there who got 99.99 percentile. In mathematics, in mathematics, okay, one student Pratik Pawar is there. Who is the topper, ma? Pratik Pawar. This Pratik Pawar got 99.96 percentile, one student. And Shivam Kose, one more student is there. Shivam Kose, and this percentile is in mathematics 99.96. 99.96. So here if you observe 99.96, 99.96, 99.9 means almost all they correct all the bits. Out of 25 bits, maybe here in mathematics 24 bits they attempted. Even here also they attempted 24 bits. Got it, na? So next in chemistry also we can cross check. Let me cross check in chemistry. In chemistry 99.9 percentile and above. In chemistry, 99.9 percentile and above. 99.9. 99.9. Nobody is there. Nobody is there. In chemistry, 0. So overall if you observe my analysis, in detail analysis, this one 99.9 percentile and above. In physics they got one student is there. In mathematics, there are two students are there exclusively from our IIT section only. In chemistry nobody is there. So this is the overall analysis. Okay, I took these papers, and for you only I analyze total night. This is the category. Okay, so if you observe, even when compared to 2 or 3 times I told you, when compared to your seniors, in your batch we are expecting compulsory below 1000 rank in JEE mains. So how you can crack that below 1000 rank means, simple logic. For them, not only for them, your seniors, your super seniors, their seniors from the last 5 years set of faculties them only. Okay, so the thing is we will guide you. Just this is the way to approach your goal. That's it. Simply you have to follow, okay, and maintain the proper notebook, that is very, very important. And what the books you have already, okay, those books you can do it Narayana plus Singesh before Deepthi. If you have Deepthi, compulsory Deepthi do it. That is the first step. After finishing Deepthi, then immediately go to Narayana material, at least to level 1, level 2, level 3. Then immediately you can go to Singesh, advanced point of view. So this is from the low level to high level. If you directly did Singesh material, maybe you can't get best rank in JEE mains and CET. If you did only Narayana level 1, level 2, you can't get in JEE advanced. If you did only Deepthi, CET you may get, you can't get those two. So level by level, step by step, you have to go like this only. So first of all, Deepthi. Before that, listen the video lectures. Prepare yourself classroom notebook. Like in the classroom how you are doing now, like that immediately, just you have to prepare yourself. These examples, number of examples I will give. Try to solve them. After that you can go to level 1, level 2, level 3 Narayana material. While doing Narayana material, first go through synopsis, and then you will go to IIT level. IIT level means Singesh. Even in Singesh also, first you have to do each and every worked out example. That is important. After finishing that worked out example, then you can go to as your high level. Single answer is there, multiple answer is there, number of bits are there. That is your personal interest. And one more thing, maybe we are expecting after finishing the first phase of JEE mains exam, all of our students are relaxing, maybe they are enjoying, we are expecting like that, but it is not correct. Everybody, they did very nice. So means that self-interest, you have to create yourself only. If that self-interest is there, na, automatically you can get results. And here MASMA, this is wonderful result. Excluded from IIT section, 99.96, 99.96. Two students are there. In mathematics, 99.9 percentile. So here 99.96 percentile means, according to this analysis, what we can conclude, they did very nice. In JEE mains, out of 25 bits, they attempted 24 bits. That's it. Only one bit they went wrong. Due to that reason, they got minus. So due to that reason, their percentile is like this. Even in physics also, na, Mayur 99.99. Exclusively this fellow, Jagalpure Mayur, his name. Before he got 98 point something percentile like that. After that, he did very nice. And then he got 99.99 percentile. And Pratik Pawar, that student, one student is there now. In maths, he got 99.96. Sincere student, listening, doing himself that without wasting his time. What he did now, without wasting his time, simply doing. That is personal interest. And in addition to this member, Divan Raman, one more student is there, Divan Raman. In the first phase, he got 97 percentile. But in the second phase, he got 99 percentile. Means that is personal interest. Number of times we can tell you like this. Alright, you can go, ma, this is the way. You have to approach like this. Then you reach your goal like this. But we will show the path. Just you have to follow. Simply, that's it. If you follow like that, that's it. And one more thing, here nearly 30 members are there. Na? Already their seat is fixed in NIT. Advance baad mein dekhenge. Already for these 32 students, they fixed their seat in NITs. That's it. And exclusive these 19 persons are there. Na? Out of these 18 members. What the seat you want, which branch you want, you can get, that's it. And many options are there. All over India, NIT colleges, wherever they want, they can go. That's it. Okay, na? So below 10,000, advantage that one. Of course, up to 30,000 you can get ma. But the thing is, the desired branch, what you desired branch is, you can't get it. That's it. Okay, na? But seat you can get somewhere. Maybe if you're nearby 600 kilometers, 700 kilometers, or 1000 kilometers, if you want to go anywhere in NITs, you can get up to 30,000. But the desired branch and what you are interested in that particular branch, and where you have to study that NIT college, in order to get, your rank will be below 10,000. And this is the wonderful result. But here the thing is, one more we have to accept. So here the best rank is 1629. This is not good. Compulsory below 1000. If we get below 1000 rank, that is happy. Below 500 or below 1000, at least 2 ranks. If we can get, na, that is success. Okay. But bulk rank is very nice when compared to your super seniors, their seniors from the beginning of in the college history. This is the very nice result. First time we got below 10,000. This 19 ranks we got below 10,000. 100%, that is very appreciation thing. That's it. But the thing is, best rank, 1 or 2 best ranks means below 1000 if we get, that is more happy. And that below 1000 rank we are expecting from our batch. And you can, no doubt at all. In our batch, wonderful students are there. Even though majority of these students, sincerely they are doing. They are randomly, they are asking the doubts also. They called me and they are analyzing, sir, I am doing like this, can I do like this? All these things they are asking. So we can expect from your batch below 1000. And my interest is, in your batch, you have to beat this number also. 10,000 below ranks. From your section, we are expecting 25 number it will be. And here, the 1629, it can't be 1629. It will be below 500 only, 2 ranks. Below 1000, 4 ranks. Like that we are expecting. 100% possibility is there. The simple logic. Here 1629 means, maybe if he keep little bit effort, it is 99.95 like that. 0.1 percentile, 0.1 percentile if we increase, automatically his rank will be below 1000 only. Okay ma? So keep on listening the video lectures and then try to practice more number of bits. Okay, and after that ma, preparation of classroom notebook and the low level to high level, very very important. If you practice like this, automatically you can success. Okay ma? Now after class we will continue ma. Now today we will solve the complex equations ma. Complex numbers equations. So one complex number involving equation they will give, and we have to find the solution for the complex equation. So here the first bit is they given as one example I am giving my here. Solve z square is equals to z conjugate. Like this they given. Solve the equation z square equals to z conjugate. So whenever if they given to solve the general equation like this equation also ma, for this we have to take let z is equals to x plus iy. You can take let z is equal to x plus iy. Then substitute the value ma. By the data here what is they given, z square equals to z conjugate. Z square equals to z conjugate. Then replace the value ma, which implies x plus iy whole square equal to what is z conjugate value ma? Z conjugate means ma, if z is equal to x plus iy, z conjugate is nothing but x minus iy is the value. Then expand this total value ma, which implies x square plus iota y whole square ma, means iota square minus you will get ma, minus y square plus 2x y iota equal to x minus iy. Here x comma y belongs to real numbers ma. So here what we got here, x square minus y square plus 2xy iota equal to x minus iy. Then both sides you can equating real and imaginary parts. Since whenever they given two complex numbers are equal, what is that meaning ma? Two complex numbers are equal means ma, real part equal, imaginary part equal. So here you will get that implies x square minus y square equal to x, and here one more point is then 2xy, what is imaginary part ma? 2xy is equals to minus y is the value. Now here if you observe ma, here you can get, if you bring this value this side, 2xy plus y is equal to 0. If I common y, here I can get ma, 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Means y is equal to 0 or x equal to minus 1 by 2. Next ma, this is the first equation you can take it. If y is equal to 0, here ma, if y is equal to 0, if I get y is equal to 0, if y equal to 0, that implies what this equation will give mom, x square is equals to x, means x square minus x is equal to 0, means what are the x values mom? X equal to 0 or 1 is the value. That is here the complex numbers are 0 comma 0 one complex number, and 1 comma 0 one more complex number. That's it. Next case, if x equal to minus 1 by 2, if x is equal to minus 1 by 2, if x equal to minus 1 by 2, what is that equation mom? X square minus y square equal to x is the value. With this one mom, x square means what is the value? 1 by 4 minus y square equal to minus 1 by 2 is the value. Bring this value this side, then what about this value will be? If you bring this value this side, y square is equals to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2, which is equals to 3 by 4 is the value. Means what is the value of y mom? Therefore y is equal to plus or minus root 3 by 2. That is here the solution set is minus 1 by 2 comma plus or minus root 3 by 2. So these are the complex numbers. So means z is equals to 0 1 complex number ma. Here z is equal to 1 1 complex number, and this value ma z is equals to minus 1 by 2 plus or minus root 3 by 2 into iota. So here the satisfying this equation z square equals to z conjugate, the complex numbers are that one minus 1 by 2 plus or minus root 3 by 2 I. This is one example basing on the complex number equation solving method. Next one more example I will give. Okay, ma'am. Here the example is they given if z is equals to, next example, ma'am, if z is equals to r into e power I theta, if z equal to r into I theta, where r is equals to modulus of z. If it is the polar form, automatically what is r value? R value is equal to mod z, and theta belongs to r. Okay, then find modulus of e power iz. This is the value they are asking. Okay, this is general bit. Z is equals to r into e power I theta. What is the r value? R means nothing but modulus of the complex number z, and here they given theta belongs to capital R. Then find the value modulus of e power iz is the value. So here first of all, if you observe here, z is equals to what they given? R into e power I theta is the value. Z equal to r into e power I theta. So r into what is e power I theta value, mom? Cos theta plus I sin theta is the value. First of all, e power I theta, that is the Euler form of a complex number. Okay, so you can write e power I theta value as cos theta plus I sin theta. Then calculate first iz, mom. Therefore iz is equals to, iz means I into z value r into cos theta plus iota sin theta. If you simplify this value, what is value? Tell me. I r cos theta first value iota into iota square minus you will get minus r sin theta you will get this is iz value. But what they are asking modulus of e power iz. So first calculate e power iz value also. Therefore e power iz equals to e power iz equal to what you will get e power iota r cos theta minus r into sin theta. How I can write this total value e power iz is equals to e power minus r sin theta into e power I r cos theta. Can I write like this now? Okay, simple a power m into a power m plus n. How I can write a power m plus n value? A power m into a power n. Basing on that equation, I can write like this. But here my requirement is, therefore modulus of e power iz is equals to, what about this value? Simple this value modulus of e power iz means modulus of e power minus r sin theta into e power I r cos theta is the value. So which is equals to, here if you observe this is the value modulus of e power minus r sin theta into this is the value modulus of e power I r cos theta. You will get like this. Then what about this value? First of all, this still here it is okay. What about this value will be? This is in the form e power I theta form is there. So now here if you observe e power I r cos theta equal to, tell me what about this value? This is in the form e power I theta. What is e power I theta form? Cos theta plus I sin theta. So what you will get? Cos of r cos theta plus I into sin of r cos theta is the value. But modulus they are asking now. Therefore modulus of this value equal to root of, what about this value cos square this value plus sin square this value. What about this whole value will be 1 only. whatever here the value, both values are equal na? Here and here both values are equal. So automatically what you will get, mom? This value equal to 1. So this whole value is equal to 1. Therefore, modulus of e power I z value is given as ma. This is the value you will get it. Modulus of e power minus r sine theta. That is the value. Okay. This is the next example. Okay. I hope that it is clear, ma. Next example. Here the next example. Find all z. Next one example, ma. Find all z. Find all z for which z square plus 2z plus 2 is real and positive. This is the bit, mom. This is also complex equation. Find all z for which z square plus 2z plus 2 is real and positive. This is also one complex equation. And here they given, ma, this whole value is real and positive. Real and positive. Then what about the complex numbers will satisfy that particular equation which is satisfying the conditions, ma, real and positive. So same here also. Whenever solving the complex equation, ma, immediately you can take, let z is equals to x plus iy. Immediately you can take, ma, z is equals to x plus iy. Now by data, what is the given value? Z square plus 2z plus 2 is real and what they given? Positive. This is the value already they given. By data, this whole value is real and positive. Now replace the value. That implies z square means, mom, x plus iy whole square plus 2 into x plus iy plus 2 is real and positive. This is the value they given. This is the value as real and positive. Then simplify the whole value. Okay, if you simplify this value, which is equals to, here if you expand this value, x square minus y square plus 2 iota xy plus 2x plus 2 iota y plus 2 is real and positive. Got it, all of you? Simple logic. We are taking z is equal to x plus iy. By taking z is equal to x plus iy, by replacing here what they given data, I am following that one only. Now here, which is equal to x square minus y square. Now I will divide the entire complex number as the real part plus imaginary part. What is the real part, ma? X square minus y square plus 2x plus 2. This is the value, ma, plus iota into what you will get, ma? Here it is 2xy plus 2. This is the value. So real part I separate, ma. Imaginary part I separate. And that too, what is this value? Is this is as usual real and positive is the value. So according to given data, here this is whole one complex number. By data they are giving that, ma, the whole complex number is real and positive. So real and positive means, what is that meaning? The real part only we have to consider. This value is real and positive. And what about this value? Imaginary part should be 0. Why they given here? Let it be one complex number. Hold this value x, ma, hold this value y. So x plus iy is real and positive they given. So by the data, real and positive means, ma, this is real and positive. and here the imaginary part should be equal to 0. That is the logic. So here if you simplify this whole value, and one more thing, sorry, here it is 2xy plus 2y ma, here it is. Here when you common iota, you will get 2y is the value. That's it. Okay. Now by data, listen ma, by data, what is the value? X square minus y square plus 2x plus 2 should be real and positive, means greater than 0. And here what is the next value will be, mom? 2xy plus 2y equal to 0. This is the case. Is real and positive means this is one value. And here one more thing, ma, you will get 2xy plus 2y equal to 0. Since they given, then solve it. Here if you common y, 2 also cancel. If you common y, x plus 1 is equal to 0, means y is equal to 0 or x is equal to minus 1. This is one case. Now replace ma, if y is equal to 0. If y is equal to 0, what about the whole equation changes to, mom? X square plus 2x plus 2 greater than 0. Okay na? When you replace y is equal to 0 here, what you can get, ma? When y is equal to 0, x square plus 2x plus 2 greater than 0. So x square plus 2x plus 2 greater than 0 means this is, I can written as x plus 1 whole square plus 1 greater than 0. So for what value of x it is valid, ma? For all x belongs to real number, this is valid. Above inequality is valid. So here the solution set is, in this case, therefore solution set is, what is the solution set, ma? Tell me. Y is equal to 0 and x belongs to real number, means real axis. Real axis. Okay na? Why I am telling real axis means, ma, this is orthon plane. Complex numbers means which is related to orthon plane. So here we are getting y is equal to 0 we got, and x belongs to capital R we got. So what is that meaning? Our required complex numbers are lies on the real axis. So here the solution set is nothing but a real axis. Next, ma, if x is equal to minus 1. One more case is also there, na? If x equal to minus 1. If x equal to minus 1, what about this equation will be? That implies here you will get, ma, 1 minus y square minus 2 plus 2 greater than 0. Means minus 2 plus 2 cancel. 1 minus y square greater than 0. Y square coefficient negative, expression positive. And here y value plus or minus 1. Therefore you can get the value y belongs to minus 1 to 1. Okay. Coefficient of y square negative, expression positive. Opposite signs. Opposite signs means, ma, lie between. So here y belongs to minus 1 to 1. Then within this case, what about the solutions that will be? If you consider this is the real axis, this is imaginary axis, this is the real axis, this is the imaginary axis, mom. X equal to minus 1, let it be 0, 1, minus 1. If x equal to minus 1, and here this is 1, minus 1, y belongs to minus 1 to 1. So from here to here you will get the solution. X equal to minus 1, x equal to minus 1. What is the y value will be? From minus 1 to 1. So this is the reason. So this is the solving of a complex equation. So when you are solving one complex equation, ma, simply you can take z is equal to x plus iy. Just go further, and what is the condition is there, you can apply automatically, you will get the value. Advanced point of view, they will frame the bit. Okay, if it is positive, then where z lies? Where z lies? If this value is real and positive, where z lies? Competitive point of view, they will ask, find all z. In first option, they will give a real axis, and y belongs to from minus 1 to 1. C option, one more option. You can mark like this. Real axis one option, y belongs to minus 1 to 1. If x is equal to minus 1, like that they will mention. Basing on the options, we have to proceed. Okay. Next ma. Okay. Next one more example ma. Here they given one example. Find locus of z. Find locus of z. Modulus real part of z plus modulus imaginary part of z less than or equal to 2. This is the bit they given. Locus of z. Okay. And here z satisfies the condition modulus real part of z plus modulus imaginary part of z less than or equal. Then what about the locus of z? Listen ma here. Even for this one also. Simple logic ma. If you take z is equals to x plus iota y, then what they given? Modulus of a real part of z plus modulus of imaginary part of z less than or equal to 2. So if you observe ma here, modulus of real part of z. What is real part of z ma? Here if z is equal to x plus iy, real part equal to x only. So here you will get mod x plus mod y less than or equal to 2. Then mod x plus mod y less than or equal to means what is mod x value? Maybe mod x value depending upon the x value. If x positive, mod x equal x. If x negative, mod x equal minus x. Here mod x is equals to x when if x positive, minus x when x negative. So similarly mod y value also like that. So if you expand this total value, you can get x plus y less than or equal to 1 equation, x minus y less than or equal to 2, minus x plus y less than or equal to 2, minus x minus y less than or equal to 2. Now construct the lines on the organ plane. If you construct the diagram for this one in the organ plane, if you observe, let this is the real axis, this is the imaginary axis, origin 1 minus 1 1 minus 1, this one, and x plus y equal to 2. X plus y equal to 2 means it is a straight line equation only. X by 2 plus y by 2 equal to 1, intersect form. So if you take this is nothing but 1, like this you can take it 1 2 1 2 minus 1 minus 2, like this 1 2 1 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2. Then construct here x plus y less than or equal to means that is the line you may get like this. Next x minus y less than or equal to 2 means if x y equal to 0, x value 2, and y is means you can get one more line like this, and similarly you can get one more line like this, and you can get one more line like this. So the shaded region, this is the shaded region this shaded region indicates the locus of the z. Since less than or equal to is there, less than or equal to means this side we have to take it. Got it, no idea? So simple logic here. Whenever if they want locus or what they find the values of z means, immediately you can take z is equal to some x plus iy, you can replace. And previous lecture I given one point. Whenever if they given unimodular complex number, whenever if you observe that particular point, unimodular complex number, in that case you have to take z is equals to simply e power I theta. Since for this one here 1 is there indirectly, 1 into e power I theta. 1 into e power I theta means what is the modulus of this complex number? 1. So whenever if you observe unimodular means to solve such a kind of bits immediately you can take the value z is equals to e power I theta. Okay, I hope that you can understand. Next. For example, one concept I will tell you. One concept. Z is one complex number. Iz is one more complex number. Z is one complex number. If I multiply the complex number with iota, then I can get the value Iz. So this complex number Z and Iz, how they are related? Okay, ma. Once again, listen. Z is one complex number. Iz is one complex number. What is the relation between Z and Iz? Okay. Now I will explain Z and Iz relation. Okay. Listen. Okay. So Z and Iz means, for example, you are multiplying Z with I, and I value, how I can write, mom? I is equals to, means this is one complex number na. This complex number I can represent as the polar form na. What is that polar form will be? 1 into cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. Can I write like this one? Means what is this value will be? E power I pi by 2. Can I write like this now? So here I value I can write as e power I pi by 2. Simple logic. E power I theta means cos theta plus I sin theta. So I value I can write as e power I into pi by 2. Okay.